everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, got a real treat for you, man. I'm going to take a look at a gorgeous 1989 GMC Jimmy SLE four-wheel drive killer truck, guys. My buddy Scott for me got me this down in Tennessee. He told me, he said, when you get this truck, it screams your name. You're gonna love this thing. And man, he's 100% right. Great looking truck. I love stuff like this. Lifted up, big wheels and tires on it. This is kind of what gets my heart pumping, man. And this is a great truck. Clean CarFax, no accident history. It's got like 99,000 miles on it. Looks like it spent most of its life up in like Oregon area, and then it went to South Carolina, Georgia area. Great truck, factory color combination, gunmetal gray and black. It's got the red pinstripe. Of course, it's got that killer set of 15 by 10 Pro Comp wheels with BF Goodrich All Terraine TA rubber on it. 5.7 with a fuel injection, 700 R4 automatic overdrive trans, air, cruise, tilt. Fun truck to drive too, man. I actually just cruised it, and if you're looking for something to play and having a garage, and this stuff is great up in little bugs, I think, on here. Like if you have cabin up north, I know my dad always had something like that. I always enjoyed it. We jump in something like this and go cruise it, and but man, these things are so much fun, man. Chrome is nice. You can see they added some fog lights. That's a good looking truck. Again, this is the factory color combination. Obviously, it's been repainted. Truck's been redone. Factory dual chrome mirrors, tinted glass. It's got the inside hood release. That's a removable top. They've got a rear fairing on it. Again, it's got it's got the spare. It's got a new wheel and tire. This rear window works properly from inside and outside, which is important. Trim on this truck is nice. It's got a trailering package with a brake switch on it as well. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust system on it. 4-inch rough country lift. Good looking set of wheels and tires on this truck. It sits good. Clean underneath. Looks like the original bumpers. Nathan will open this all up, but like I say, they're all Pro Comp 15 by 10 wheels. Love the wheels on this thing. You can see it's clean. They've done a nice job detailing the truck up. Drives down the road good. I haven't driven it a ton, but I've driven it. Matter of fact, I'll probably take it to lunch. Wheel wells are clean. EFI. It's got pretty much bone stock underneath here. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got air blows cold. The factory jack is still in place with the instructions. Also, your engine information's in here. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Good looking truck. Air blows cold. I think I said this, but it's got a rough country 4-inch lift on it. Show you underneath there. I get out of whack here because of they're up and the air. I can't reach everything. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look good. Original door tags still intact. Again, this is the original color combination. You can see those door skins are nice and clean. Power windows, power locks, that stuff works. Love this, man, when we get in here. I hate the floor mats. New floor mats are on the way. You can have those, but I'm not a fan. Love this. They redid all the interior in this gray leather and plaid. So cool, man. This thing with the top off would just pop. Tilt column, cruise control works. Factory sport wheel. I'm gonna have to check the oil pressure gauge. It's the only thing that wasn't working on here. Fuel gauge works. 99,756 on your odometer. Brake switch works. Radio comes on. I couldn't get it to get a radio station. CB works. That rear window switch works. Not real sure what an altimeter is. Don't know what that is. Headliner looks good. Again, the top is removable. Flowmaster exhaust system. It has a 342 posi factory rear axle in it. I've Nathan come out here and show you how this works. You can see this is in pretty good shape. That needs to be clean. I think that'll clean up. But it's functional. Rear window works. Go ahead and open that up too when you're done, Nathan. Again, it's clean in here. I love that interior, man. Probably one of my favorite parts about this truck. This is the original paint, so you can see that's the original color. Go ahead and close it up. And of course, just shuts behind it. There's a lever inside that which shuts that. Does have the trailering package. Truck's clean underneath. I dig it, man. I think it's super cool. Whoever gets this thing, you're gonna have a blast with this thing. I love driving stuff like this. Four-wheel drive lifted trucks just scream my name. Love this interior. Let's see if I can. This. Oh, I. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Man, that is so cool. You pull that top off, people are gonna see that interior and go nuts. No crack there in your dash. CB does work. Kick your air on, it works. That's a killer truck right there, man. Again, everything seemed to be working but that oil pressure gauge. So we'll have Mike check that. Again, power locks, power windows, all that stuff works. Let's see this back here. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you can see those around the tires. This worked. Powered up, channel 19. That's the one that we used to be on. Power, hit the button on that radio. This is the power button. You'll hear it power. Nope. Oh, it does. Okay, he's got it on. It does power up. I couldn't get it to the station. Again, those doors open and close real nice. Oh, we got a light out. Yep, we'll check that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. It's a great way to keep in touch with us. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. New website is up and running. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that. Have a great day, guys.